You've seen this figure before. Mysterious, minimal, stylized like something straight out of a Netflix doc. Today, I'll show you how to turn a basic stock photo into a noir-style animated character using nothing but Canva and a bit of AI. Open Canva and create a new design. I'm using a mobile video crop since the figure we're working with is tall and narrow. We can always switch formats later. Head into the Photos tab and search for Man in Suit Standing. You'll get a wide selection, but for this animation, we want a full body, head to toe, and ideally someone standing with arms relaxed by their sides. That stance works best for the next steps. Turn on the cutout only filter to narrow it down. Scroll a little and grab this one in a pinstripe suit. The texture is going to come in handy when we tweak the contrast later. Place the image on the canvas, remove the background, and then stretch the crop box so it touches the top and bottom edges of the canvas. You'll see why in a sec. With the figure selected, open the Adjust panel. Drag the saturation all the way down to 0. Now push up the blacks and pull back the whites to exaggerate the contrast. Under Texture, boost it slightly to make those pinstripes pop. Now jump into the Apps tab and search for one color. Set the color to jet black, apply the effect, and bam, you've got a noir-style silhouette. It'll probably come out at the wrong size, but here's the fix. Hold Alt and stretch the bounding box so it lines up with the original. That's why we cropped the image to the canvas edges earlier. Makes it snap right into place. With the silhouette still selected, head back to the Apps tab and open Image Blender. Choose the linear blend mode. Quick heads up, there's a weird glitch where the top gradient handle doesn't always move. If that happens, just cancel and reselect linear until it works. Once you've got it, drag the top marker to the center of the figure's head. Adjust the strength slider until the face is just barely shaded, while the rest of the body stays crisp and visible. Then click Save. Group the two layers together and tighten up the crop if needed. Before we continue, I want to mention something that has genuinely helped me speed up my workflow. One of the biggest challenges with videos like this is the script writing. I love making these tutorials, but typing out long scripts can take days, if not weeks, and it usually limits how often I can upload. Recently, I started using a tool called Whisperflow, and it has honestly changed the way I work. Instead of typing everything manually, I just speak naturally while I'm recording or planning the tutorial. Whisperflow turns my voice into clean, well-structured text automatically. It removes filler words, adds punctuation, and rewrites the messy parts into clear sentences. So by the time I'm finished recording, most of my script is already done. I just give it a quick polish, and I'm ready to edit.
If you're often drowning in emails, you can use Whisper to respond to them blazingly fast. Hey Sahaj, there's 3 things Whisper does really well. It's insanely fast, it's insanely accurate, and it gets names right.
It has cut my scripting time down dramatically and made the whole process much more enjoyable. If you're a creator, a student, or anyone who spends a lot of time typing, it might save you as much time as it's saving me. You can sign up for free with 2,000 words per week, which should be plenty to get you started. There's an affiliate link below if you'd like to try Whisperflow at no cost to you whatsoever. Now download this composition as a PNG. Back on Canva's homepage, open the AI section and select Video Clip. Quick note, at the time of recording, Canva only gives you 5 video generations per month, so use them wisely. But don't worry, I'll also share a prompt you can use with other image-to-video tools if needed. Click the plus icon, upload the image we just saved, and paste in the prompt. Leave the default settings unless you've got something specific in mind. The prompt takes care of most of the styling. You may need to add a follow-up prompt if the AI generator goes a bit off script. When you are happy, download the clip and re-import it into a Canva project. With the clip selected, go to the Edit button and select the Reverse Video app. Reversing the video will allow us to make a seamless GIF, ensuring that there are no jumps between the movements. Page 1 will be the video played going forwards. Page 2 will be the video played in reverse, so it appears that the character just changes direction when it goes between clips. When you are ready, download the file as a GIF. Now it is ready to be used in any video project as a seamlessly looping animation. If you'd like access to a full library of these characters, along with the complete template of the composition seen in the intro, you can find it over on my Patreon. Until next time.